5, right? You are planning to do that? Oh, okay. Why did you bring all of them out then?
Creation. A super fluffy pancake.
I would have put sprinkles. Butter.
What are you doing, Jackson?
Is this enough butter?
Butter.
Gonna get some butter. Butter, butter, butter.
Butter, 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 butter.
Butter, 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 butter. Anyway.
Thick fluffy pancake.
Sprinkle. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Anyway. Okay, like this.
Sure. Sprinkles.
Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh gosh.
Okay, that's enough sugar.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Spoon.
What's the next one?
Da 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 da.
I know you're gonna want that. That's why I put it there.
Oh,
Finally. Strawberry powder.
okay, that's a bit too much. Is that too much?
No, it depends what you're gonna put in there. What else? If that's it, I think it's not too much. Okay, that's too much.
Oh, it's a sad taste.
Oh man, this is too much sugar now. Enough.
How much stuff
All
did
the
you
book
put?
that you borrow.
This?
That. This is all the book that you borrow. Only 2.
Yeah. The max is 2 if you're in your 2.
What?
Is that too
Oh my god.
Yes, Anina.
Half of that.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's good. There, no more.